Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a product bundle. This is how you can track a group of products like sets, gift bundles, or subscription boxes. Before doing your bundle, you have to take note that the stock level of the bundle can only be as much as the lowest product in stock. So for example, I'm going to be including the honey candle large for this bundle. And we're seeing that the stock level of this product is 29 pieces. Therefore, this bundle can only have an availability of 29 before this bundle cannot be fulfilled anymore. So let's begin. On the left sidebar, click on Products, click on Add Product, write the name of the bundle. After you put the name of your bundle, you're going to be selecting the product type, Product Bundle, and you're going to see that immediately these options disappear because we take the stock level of the product with the least stock level of the bundle. Next, you're going to include the products that you want to have in it. We also give you your cost breakdown per bundle, add a category, if you want an SKU, the retail price and wholesale price, and also some notes. Click Save, and your bundle is going to be already created. This is how you can set up a product bundle in Inventora.